How to use Magic Pro for a gentle detox routine. Have you ever felt like your body could use a gentle reset? Maybe you feel heavy, tired, bloated, or not as clear and energized as you would like. In everyday life, your body is constantly working to process stress, support circulation, maintain balance, and clear out what it no longer needs. That is where a gentle detox support routine can be helpful. Detox does not have to mean something extreme. It can simply mean giving your body consistent support through hydration, movement, rest, nourishing foods, and tools that help you relax and recover. Magic Pro is designed to make this kind of routine simple and comfortable at home. As a full-body PEMF mat, Magic Pro uses 96 closely spaced coils to provide even head-to-toe coverage. Its PEMF technology is designed to support circulation, cellular activity, relaxation, and overall recovery, helping your body feel more balanced without making the process feel intense or overwhelming. To begin, start slowly. Try a shorter 15 to 20-minute session and see how your body responds. You can explore programs such as full body cleansing for general whole body support, or heavy metal cleansing when you want a more focused cleansing routine. Before and after your session, drink plenty of water. Hydration is one of the simplest ways to support your body's natural cleansing pathways. For the best experience, pair your Magic Pro sessions with healthy daily habits, eat fiber-rich foods, move your body, get enough sleep, and give yourself time to rest. The goal is not to force a harsh detox. The goal is to support your body gently and consistently, so you can feel lighter, clearer, and more restored over time. Magic Pro is here to support your wellness routine with full-body PEMF support for relaxation, recovery, and daily balance.